All right, let's compare the two AI assistants. Trade Ideas on the left, Trendspider on the right. Let's start by looking for stocks that are up the most today on a percentage basis. All right, we'll do the same thing over in Trendspider while the Trade Ideas AI assistant is generating the list. It looks like it just generated that. It's a full top list window. It's active in real time, and it is scanning the entire universe. So now we're waiting for Trendspider to do its thing. Oh, apparently it needs to have a symbol list assigned to it or a universe. We'll go ahead and we'll define the S&P 500 here. Thinking, waiting, thinking. I came back with 5 different symbols. They're all A. Looks like the biggest one is only up 5%. So it's definitely not the full universe of stocks. All right, well, there is our demonstration for today.